Good morning class. Hope you are doing well beta. In the previous video we have completed our exercise 3.4. Today we will start our exercise 3.5. In this exercise we have to use our decimal number in the question which are based on our real life. Okay. So the first question is find the area of a rectangular field which has length of 16.8 meter and breadth of 12.32 meter. Okay. So here we have given length of field and the field is of shape rectangular, and rectangular shape means opposite side are equal. Okay, this is our length and this is our breadth. So length of the field is equal to 16.8 meter and breadth of the field is equal to 12.32 meter. Okay beta, and all of you know the formula of area of a rectangle. What is the formula of area of a rectangle? The area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Here we have given length and also breadth. So to find the area, what we have to do? We have to multiply length to breadth. So 16.8 multiplied by 12.32. Okay. So after multiplying these two decimal number, what we have? Area of given field beta, and that is equal to 206.976 meter square. When you multiply 16.8 to 12.32, you will get 206.976 beta. Okay, so this is the solution of your question first beta. Look at the second question beta. In the second question, Mr. Gupta paid 1258.64 rupees for groceries and paid 2156.50 rupees for books and stationery. After that he gave two notes of 2000 rupees to the cashier. Okay. Then we have to calculate the money that he get from the cashier. To calculate the money that he get from the cashier, we have to subtract the amount that he has to pay to the cashier from the amount that he has given to the cashier. Amount given to the cashier is equal to 4000, because 2 multiplied by 2000 is equal to 4000 rupees. Okay, and amount that he has to pay, this plus this. So the total amount that he has to pay is equal to the sum of amount for groceries and amount for book and stationery. So the sum is equal to 4 plus 0 4, 6 plus 5 11, 1 must be the carry, 8 plus 6 14 plus 1 is equal to 15, 1 is again carry, 5 plus 5 10 and 1 carry will become 11. Again we have 1 as carry, so 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 carry is equal to 4 and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 4000 he has given to the cashier and he has to pay 3415.14 rupees to the cashier. So the amount that he get back is equal to 4000 minus 3415.14, and this is equal to 68.485. This is equal to 584.86 rupees. So this is the amount that he get from the cashier back. Okay, so he will get 584.86 rupees. Okay, so this is the solution of your question number second beta. I hope you will get it. Now let us move on the third question. Now look at the third question beta. In the third question we have given that Yasika is 138.5 centimeter tall and she is taller than her sister by 67 millimeter. What is Yasika's sister height? We have to calculate the height of Yasika's sister. Okay. So to solve this question, look at here. Third question. Height of Yasika is given and that is equal to 138.5 centimeter. Okay. Now she is taller than her sister by amount of height that is equal to 67 millimeter. Now to solve this question, firstly we have to understand a thing beta, that the operations addition, subtraction, division and multiplication are applicable only on the same units. Okay, you cannot divide 4 kilometer by 100 centimeter. To operate any operator out of these 4 operations between two number like this, firstly we have to make their unit same. Either you have to convert this 4 kilometer into centimeter or you have to convert this 100 centimeter into kilometer. After that you have to operate any of kind of operation between them. Okay, so in this question also we have given such kind of problem, and that is equal to the amount of height by which Yasika is taller than his sister 67 millimeter, but the height of Yasika is given into centimeter. To operate any addition, subtraction, multiplication or division operation in this question, firstly we have to convert this 67 millimeter into centimeter, and this is equal to 6.7 centimeter. Okay, now look at this. Here is also centimeter, here is also centimeter. So here we can apply any operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division as per the requirement of the question. Okay, so to find the height, Yasika is taller and this implies height of Yasika's sister is smaller than Yasika. So to find the height of sister, what we have to do? We have to subtract this amount from the height of Yasika. So this is equal to 138.5 minus 6.7, and this is equal to 131.8 centimeter. Okay, so the height of Yasika's sister is equal to 131.8 centimeter. Okay, so this is the required answer of your question. I hope you will get it. So this is the solution of your question third beta. Fourth and fifth question are same as like this question. Try to do them by yourself. If you have any problem in solving these questions, we will take that problem in our live class. Okay.